In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy a domain and hosting on GoDaddy step by step, even if it's your very first time. By the end, you'll have both your hosting plan and your domain name ready to go so you can start building your website right away. Let's begin on the GoDaddy website, specifically on the hosting section. Once you're on the hosting page, you'll see several plans laid out. Look for the economy plan. This is usually the most budget-friendly option and is a good starting point for a basic website like a small business page, a portfolio, or a simple research site. The price is typically shown as a monthly rate for a one-year term. GoDaddy often lists something around a few hundred pesos per month when billed annually, but the exact amount can vary with promotions or your local currency. The key is to confirm that the billing term is set to 1 year so you can take advantage of the included free domain offer. When you've located the economy hosting plan, click the button to select or continue with that plan. This will move you into the setup process for your hosting. At this stage, GoDaddy will prompt you to claim your free domain. This is where you search for the website address you want. In the domain search box, type in the name you'd like for your site. For example, if this is for a biology research project, you might use the name of your lab, your project title, or a short, memorable version of it. Keep it simple, easy to spell, and ideally as short as possible. You can choose common extensions like .com or others that fit your region or purpose, depending on what's available. After typing your preferred domain, run the search. GoDaddy will let you know if that domain is available. If it is, you'll see an option to select it. Click Select to attach this domain to your hosting plan. If your first choice isn't available, try slight variations until you find a clean, professional name you're happy with. When you have a good match, click Select and then continue to move forward. Now you'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, review everything carefully. Confirm that the economy hosting plan is selected with the correct term length and that your chosen domain appears as included at no extra cost. This page may also show optional add-ons like extra security tools or email services. You can leave most of these unchecked if you're just starting out and want to keep costs low, and you can always add them later. Once you've double-checked your plan, your domain, and the total price, proceed with the checkout, enter your payment details, confirm your order, and finish the purchase. That's it. You've now purchased hosting and claimed your domain on GoDaddy, and you're ready to move on to setting up your actual website.